Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you how to create great favors using mini party bubbles. These are great for baby showers, bridal showers, and especially birthday parties. The bubble containers are available in a variety of colors, so you can choose the color that works best for your event. Everything that I use in this video, I will include a link to in the comments section below. The first thing you want to do is choose a design from our website or from our Etsy page. Once you have purchased a design that works for you, you can easily download the file and edit in Adobe Acrobat Reader. When you open the file in Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can easily edit the blue highlighted sections. You can type in the name and event, then save your file and print. These will print great on 110-pound white matte cardstock. Then you can easily trim using the crop marks provided. I prefer to use an X-Acto knife, but scissors work great too. You will also need to purchase a 1-inch circle punch so that you can create an area for the bubbles. Once you have your cards cut, you can flip your hole punch upside down so you can easily line up the circle. When you have all of your cards ready to go, all you have to do is simply place over the top of the bubble bottle. And that's it! It's that simple to create these awesome favors that everyone is going to love. Again, I'm going to include a link of all of the items I'm using in the comments section below. Thank you for watching our video on how to create your own favors using party bubbles. If you have any ideas for a DIY video that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate the support. Thank you for watching and have fun designing.